Alright guys, we are back at the local Menards and take a look at the elevator now. The project is complete, but something is not finished yet. The only thing that needs to be finished, and here's the look at the braille now. The only thing that needs to be finished is that the elevator is actually going to be running by next month actually. So they extended the inspection appointment to probably around the end of the month. Possibly. And look at this. Here's the new Map BS button. If you're wondering like me, then if you look at this Map BS button, would you question yourself, would this button become a ripoff of ThyssenKrupp's Map BS buttons? Well, maybe, because this button was designed by VMI and their button replacements want to be designed as generic as it could be. I have not much to say though. And as you can see, they just have the new walls already built up already. Yep, I was correct. They just rebuilt they just have the walls rebuilt around the door frame. But if you pay closely attention to this green arrow, it's actually pointing at the walls, because those are actually new and they were rebuilt because the old war ones were kind of small when those guys that were building the door and the door frames. So it needs to be a perfect size so that no holes can appear. They just painted them recently, and after they just built those doors, they already got stains in them. And I wonder what's gonna. And sorry about these boxes blocking the way, because these are kind of hard to see while I'm filming. I don't know how these boxes are still blocking the way. But this elevator is gonna get inspected by the end of the month. So my dad said that they talked to the manager of this store, and they say that they're gonna do an inspection test by the end of the month. And yes, I do know the manager of this store here. His name is Chris. Here's a look up there. But apparently if you look inside the elevator cab, it just got down here. This elevator got down here, but my question is, why are the interior doors open? You can barely see it, the light, this line right here. You can barely see the light. It was sitting on the second floor for like a while. And my dad is gonna get get a new heater filter while I am doing a final close-up on this thing. And this thing is gonna run next month, and I might but you know, you might notice that the displays change because it is about to come to Christmas season already, and they have Christmas trees displays downstairs already. But they still got patio stuff up here, like patio chairs and everything like that. Here's what the second floor of the outside of the elevator looks like. Second floor view. Just gonna stand back up here. They just took up the wood up there. It was sticking on the top above up there, like right up there. If I didn't get a footage. And yes, and interesting how they just put actually it's kind of you know, may notice it's not weird though, but they just built this new walls recently. It was a big opening all the way up to that pole. And here's another look at the Map BS button. Same thing like Oak Creek. And this thing also had paint stains, I believe, because they were painting these new walls up here, because they just built those. And for the call button. And look at this. Look how big the door is. These doors are so huge. But anyways, I am looking forward to this elevator on next month after the inspection appointment. And my question is, another question I'm thinking, when is Menards gonna put up advertisements? I might ask the manager about that too, because I don't even see them. I don't even see signs. And look at this, behind the machine room, they locked it off already. It's authorized. It's for team members only, as usual. And there's a fire extinguisher behind it. Oh yeah, Christmas trees are stuck way over there. But here's one final look of how the elevator is doing. This is the final update video. It's gonna take a couple seconds. Okay. I was thinking that this thing was gonna be an A-bell, but fortunately no. Schumacher is doing the new elevators around this around southeast Wisconsin, probably, possibly. And unfortunately, I cannot take a full look footage from behind because these boxes are blocking the way. Here's the elevator inspection communicator. I might take a closer look over here. I'll take it from this side instead of this. That braille is same thing like Oak Creek. Alright. So, anyways, there's a final update video and final look of this this new elevator. And we may look forward to this thing on December, but I don't know when. And also about the advertisements too. And also, they just built these new walls too. They just tore down the other ones. They just tore down the other walls, and then they rebuilt it again to fit in the. They even put new ones on the top up there. And also around the next to the door frame, and the I believe that's the firefighters operation. Yep, that's it right there. That's the box up there. They put it way back over there.